How to organize your files better on your iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add tags to files and folders using the Files app. First, open the Files app on your iPhone. Next, tap Browse and open a location such as iCloud Drive or On My iPhone. Now, find the file or folder you want to tag. Press and hold on the file, then tap Tags from the menu. Here, you can choose from existing tags or create a new one by tapping Add New Tag. Enter a name for your tag, choose a color if you'd like, and then tap Done. You'll now see a colored tag indicator next to that file, making it easier to find later. You can also add tags to folders by pressing and holding on a folder, selecting Tags, and choosing or creating a tag. If you want to tag multiple files at once, tap the three-dot menu, select Select, choose your files, then tap the three-dot menu again and select Tags. Once you've added tags, go back to the Browse section. Under Tags, you'll find all your tags organized in one place. Simply tap a tag to quickly view all files and folders associated with it. And that's how to add tags to files and folders on iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and guides.